Hi all, this is an introduction video for the Google Summer of Code project under becgloboardorg titled Fixing Bugs in BoneScript and Improve BeagleBone UI. The mentors for this project are Jason Kreidner, Anuj Deshpande and Michael Welling.
My name is Vaishnav Ame and I am studying in second year Electronics and Communication Engineering at College of Engineering, Trivandrum in India. BoneScript is a Node.js library for easy interaction with BeagleBone hardware directly from your web browser. BoneScript has Arduino-like functions like digital write, digital read, analog write, etc., thus making it easy for beginners to start with BeagleBone hardware. Currently, the BoneScript library is riddled with some unresolved issues reported at the GitHub repository of the library, whose link is provided in the description. This project aims to solve most of the reported issues and add more features to the library. BBUI or BeagleBone User Interface is a graphical user interface in a web browser that helps users without any coding experience to interact with BeagleBone black hardware pins using a drag and drop interface. Currently, the interface supports only BeagleBone Black. This project aims to create a similar interface for interacting with the Pocket BeagleBoard and the Bacon Bitscape for the Pocket BeagleBoard. A simple demonstration of the Pocket Beagle UI is shown here. Now I will go through the current issues with BoneScript and how I am going to implement the solution to these issues. Adding C function support. It must be possible to interact with the C functions from modules that are compiled on the target without any modifications. This feature is going to be implemented using foreign function interface, a Node.js add-on. Adding support to external C functions in BoneScript allows the users to run MRAA library examples without any modifications. Interchanging analog and digital functions. This issue deals with the situations like using analog write on digital pins, that is writing high or low on the pin depending on the value of duty cycle. Most of the features reported in the issue has been implemented as of now. Adding support for HCSR04 ultrasound distance sensor. This cannot be achieved with BoneScript alone. So my plan is to load an existing PRE firmware for the purpose and make interactions with the external C module from BoneScript to read out the values. Installing BoneScript on Snappy Ubuntu Core. This issue deals with providing steps and resolving issues that occur when installing BoneScript on Snappy Ubuntu Core. Adding TypeScript definition file. This issue is about adding a TypeScript definition to the BoneScript library, which will help the users to explore the library functions directly from the code. Next issue is regarding creating manageable sync and async copies of BoneScript functions. Another issue is standardizing the callbacks as Node.js standard, error first and value next format. Next issue is disabling PWM output so as to avoid spikes occurring when writing zero duty cycle PWM to a pin. The proposed plan is to write a function to disable or enable PWM output on a pin to solve the issue. PWM UWF delays. These are delays while using PWM on a pin caused by the delay in setting up permissions by UWF. The only proposed solution is to loop around the situation until the permission is set. There are some issues that was not described in this video. Some of the issues are described in my proposal, whose link is provided in the video description. As a stretch goal of this project, I would like to work on developing Blockly BoneScript, a blocks-based visual editor for creating BoneScript code. I plan to add more features to the project, integrate sockets IO so that code can be directly sent from the browser to the server running on the board. Thank you.